Hello students, these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 27 prefixes from exercise number 103 to 106. Let's start with exercise number 103. Be ready. Start. Compassion, committee, contain, contained, congenial, confession, conversation, concession, conceal, concealed. Next is discontinue, discontinued, recognize, recognition, recommendation, commerce, commotion. Next is accompanist, accomplish, accommodate, introduced, introspect. Next is magnanimous, magnificent, magnitude, translate, translation, transport, self-denial, self-reliance. Next is self-confident, self-contained, instruct, instructed, inscroll, inhale, inhabitant, inseparable. Next is inhumanity, immoderate, innumerable, unnoticed, irrelevant, underrate, already. Next is exercise number 104. Be ready. Start. Competent, combat, common, compensate, compound, compact, compare. Next is conductor, conflict, constant, convulsion, conserve, conscientious, contango. Next is commissioners, incomplete, recognized, uncongenial, reconsider, incumbent. Next is we were compelled, accompanying, accompliances, accomplices, introducing, introduces. Next is magnificent, magnifier, magnificence, transmission, translated, transmitter. Next is self possession, self congratulation, instructor, inherent, inhumanly, inseparable, insuperable. Next is illiberal, immaterial, innoxious, unknown, reparable, irreparable, reclaimable, irreclaimable, understood, undersell, trademark. Next is exercise number 105. Be ready. Start. The almost innumerable terms connected with business should be understood by all who engage in trade. They are introduced into practically every transaction, and he would be considered incompetent who did not understand them. The mastery of these terms is not a task of such magnitude as to disconcert anyone of reasonable self-reliance and self-control. No enterprising man need entertain a moment's doubt as to his ability to learn these significant terms. The transmission of goods to a commission agent or other consignee involves the preparation of documents which will ensure the transfer of the goods to him without unnecessary delay. The arrangement of consular invoices and other forms properly inscribed and attested must be recognized as a common matter of daily routine, and a man would feel uncomfortable if he were ignorant of these things. Next is exercise number 106. Be ready. Start. We thank you for your communication and instruction regarding the lightning conductors for the new conservative club in Conway Road. The slight misconception has now been removed, and your recommendations shall be carefully considered. We are having the cornerstones inscribed this week, and we have no doubt that you will find the inscription will satisfy you. We suggest for your consideration that it would be instructive and useful to have a translation of the Latin inscription printed and circulated before the opening ceremony. You will not consider us selfish if we arrange for a photograph of the ceremony showing our name as contractors for the work. So these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 27 prefixes. अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.